What's up, you guys? It's me, Cameron Thompson Camp, coming to you on a rainy day in Florida. Very rainy. I don't know, like, how many inches we're gonna get, but it's thundering, lightning, everything. But I got something cool in the middle right before it started to rain. See? Woo! Thor's trying to get on television. I got something really cool in the mail. Goldback's wallet. I was showing you guys too much of my personal info. That's what it looks like. And, get ready for the future, you guys. The future is coming. I also got in the mail some other cool coins. Just give me a sec. So I'm back. I got me one of these as well. A 1/10 ounce King Charles III UK Britannia. I got me a Jefferson nickel proof. It's pretty cool. It's got the Louisiana Purchase on the back. I got United States of America baseball $50 that does say E pluribus unum on it. So I don't know what that means, but if anyone can comment if that means it's legal tender or not, I don't know. But and then the coolest thing is I got this 1 peso. Look how golden that peso is. Pretty cool, right? Hold on. Hey, you guys, I just had to put that stuff back in my safe. So, I'm sorry about that. I'm probably not going to be showing you many more coin videos, but follow me on Patreon, because I do coin vlogs, at least, and talk about the precious metals. And I also talk about the Bible study, Tim and the gang. So, much love. God bless. Peace out. Amen.